Hello everyone, this is Shivika. Welcome back to English class. Students, today I am going to continue this class with grammar and the topic is past tense. Past tense means bhutkal. Present tense we have already discussed in our previous video. So in this video we will continue with past tense, under which comes past simple past, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous tense. So first of all we will start with simple past tense. So students, we use this tense when we talk about things that happened at a definite time in the past. We say or we think about the time that the actions happened. For example, yesterday, last month, 3 months ago, in 2000, last week, etc. Have a look. For example, Usha called me an hour ago. एक घंटे पहले की बात हो रही है. It means past tense, simple past tense. Okay. Another example is, it was very hot yesterday. Here we will use was. Was shows the past tense, simple past tense. ठीक है, तो past tense की वजह से was यहाँ पर यूज हुआ है और yesterday लिखा हुआ है. Yesterday means past tense. तो अगर yesterday यूज है तो वहाँ पर हम past tense की verb को यूज करेंगे. So overall we can say that we use simple past when we are talking about completed actions in the past. And the rule for it is subject plus form of the verb. For example, he played guitar. Here we will use played. So we have to remember that with irregular verbs there are no rules for making their past forms. For example, eat, ate and eaten, go, went and gone. So these are some irregular verbs and there are no rules for making their past forms. So you have to learn all these verbs. For example, he ate an apple. So here we will use ate because we do not use the letter, we do not add the letter ed or d with the verb like eat. We do not write eated. We always write ate, ate in the past tense. For example, he ate an apple. So here we do not use the letter ed or d with the verb eat. We always use ate in the past tense. Okay. So let's see how to form verbs in the past tense. To make the past tense, we usually add ed or d to the verb, but it's not for the irregular verbs. For example, clean, we always use cleaned, live, lived, cook, cooked, dance and danced. So here we will add the letter ed with the verb. Next is, sometimes we change a verb to the past tense, we change the middle vowel sound. कभी कभी हम middle vowel sound जो है उसको change करके भी verb को past tense की क्रिया बना सकते हैं. For example, fall, we will use fell, begin, began, drink, drank, write, wrote, break, broke, drive, drove. So here we change the middle vowel sound to make their past form, to make their past tense form. Okay, so here we change middle vowel sound like fall, fell, a replace करके e यूज कर लिया है, middle vowel sound हटा करके, तो यहाँ पे क्या हो गया, ये past tense की क्रिया बन गई, past tense की verb हो गई है. begin, began, drink, drank, write, wrote, here we will use wrote, break, broke, drive, drove. So here we change the middle vowel sound to change the verb in the past tense. Next rule is, sometimes past tense is formed by changing the letter, changing the last letter. कभी कभी last letter change करके भी हम verb को past tense की verb में change कर सकते हैं. For example, bent, bent, d को replace करके t use हो गया. deal, dealt, build, built, send, sent. So these are some examples by changing the last letter. Okay. Next rule is, some verbs do not change at all in its past form. कुछ verbs past form में कभी भी change नहीं होती हैं. For example, cut. कट अगर है तो वो पास्ट टेंस में भी कट ही होगा, कटेड नहीं हो जाएगा. ओके, लेट, हिट, पुट, हर्ट, set. So these are the examples of some verbs which do not change at all in the past tense, in the past form. Next rule is some verbs do not follow any rules to change into past tense. कुछ वर्ब्स ऐसी होती हैं जो पास्ट टेंस में चेंज होने के लिए कोई भी रूल फॉलो नहीं करती हैं. मतलब उनकी पास्ट टेंस में ज़रूरी नहीं है कि ईडी या डी ऐड किया जाए. इट्स नॉट कंपल्सरी टू चेंज the vowel sound, it's not compulsory to change the last letter of the verb. तो ये जितने भी रूल्स हैं ये सारे रूल्स फॉलो नहीं करती हैं. कुछ ऐसी भी वर्ब्स होती हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल बाइट, BITE. सो पास्ट में जब हम इसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, बिट, फ्लाई, फ्लू. ना यहाँ पर वॉवल चेंज हुआ है, ना यहाँ पर लास्ट लेटर चेंज करके पास्ट में कन्वर्ट की गई है वर्ब को, ना ही यहाँ पर ईडी और डी का यूज़ करके वर्ब को पास्ट टेंस की वर्ब बनाई गई है. तो कुछ वर्ब्स ऐसी होती हैं जो कोई भी रूल्स फॉलो नहीं करती हैं पास्ट टेंस में आने के लिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बाइट, बिट, फ्लाई, फ्लू, गो, वेंट, कैच, कॉट. So these are called irregular verbs. So we have already discussed about it. You have to remember that with irregular verbs there are no rules for making their past forms. For example, eat, ate and eaten, go, went and gone. Next is past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is used when we are talking about unfinished ongoing action in the past plus finished actions, and with that it is also mentioned a finished action, and the rule for it is subject plus was a verb plus ing form of the verb. Here we will use ing form with the verb, like play, so we will use playing. Okay, so there are some examples of past continuous tense. Have a look. First is when the phone rang, she was writing a letter. Here we will use writing, ing form with the verb. When the phone rang, she was writing a letter. Another example, we were sitting outside when the planes were flying overhead. So these are some examples of past continuous tense. Here we will use ing form with the verb, like subject plus was a verb plus ing form with the verb. So how do we get to know that where do we have to use was and where do we have to use were? It's very simple. Have a look. With I, he, she, it we use was. With you, we and they we will use were. तो जहाँ पर I, he, she, it अगर सेंटेंस में आ रहा है तो हम वहाँ पर उसके साथ पास्ट टेंस में was का यूज़ करेंगे, और अगर you, we, they यूज़ हो रहा है तो उसके साथ हम were का यूज़ करेंगे. नेक्स्ट इज पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस, व्हाट इज द रूल ऑफ पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस? द रूल फॉर पास्ट परफेक्ट इज सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैड प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. Here we will use again third form of the verb with past perfect tense. For example, when Jim arrived at the stop, the bus had left. Here we will use had left. Another example is she had met him before the party. So the rule is subject plus had plus third form of the verb. So there are some important points which you have to write in your notebook. It refers to a time earlier than the past time. Another is it refers to a sequence of events that had happened. The sequence of events is made clear by the past perfect tense. We always use the past participle form of the verb after had. Past participle verb, it means third form of the verb we will use after had. Don't forget it, okay? So these are some rules of past perfect tense. Now come to the next one, that is past perfect continuous tense. What is the rule of past perfect continuous tense? The rule for it is subject plus had been plus ing form of the verb. With continuous we always use ing form with the verb. For example, past continuous or past perfect continuous. इन बोथ वी विल ऐड आईएनजी फॉर्म विद द वर्ब। तो ये भी पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस है, तो कॉन्टिन्यूअस में हमें पता है आईएनजी फॉर्म यूज होती है। तो सबसे पहले सब्जेक्ट आएगा, सब्जेक्ट के बाद हैड बीन, और हैड बीन के बाद कॉन्टिन्यूअस है, इट मीन्स आईएनजी फॉर्म विद द वर्ब, वर्ब के साथ आईएनजी फॉर्म यूज होगी। सो द रूल फॉर इट इज सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैड बीन प्लस आईएनजी फॉर्म विद द वर्ब। So where do we have to use past perfect continuous tense? It's very simple. When we are talking about action in the past before another finished action, and the rule for it is subject plus had been plus ing form with the verb. Here we will use ing form with the verb. जैसा कि आपको पता है कि continuous है, तो continuous में verb के साथ हमेशा ing form यूज होती है, चाहे वो पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस हो, चाहे वो प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस हो, चाहे वो फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूअस हो। अगर कॉन्टिन्यूअस है तो कॉन्टिन्यूअस में हमेशा आईएनजी फॉर्म ही यूज होगी। हियर पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस है, तो इट मीन्स हियर वी विल यूज आईएनजी फॉर्म विद द वर्ब। फॉर एग्जांपल, आई हैड बीन वर्किंग एट द कंपनी फॉर 5 years व्हेन आई गॉट द प्रमोशन। सो हियर द फिनिश्ड एक्शन इज आई गॉट द प्रमोशन, एंड द कंटिन्यूअस एक्शन विच वॉज इन द पास्ट before the finished action is I had been working at the company for 5 years, and the finished action is I got the promotion. Another example is Mithila had been walking 3 miles a day before she broke her leg. So here the finished action is she broke her leg, and the continuous action in the past before the finished action is Mithila had been walking 3 miles a day. Okay students, let's take some exercise. For example, first exercise is fill in the blanks with the past perfect form of the verb given in the brackets. Brackets में कुछ verbs दी गई हैं जिन्हें आपको past perfect form की verb में change करना है। तो past perfect form में क्या यूज़ होता है, कैसे हम पहचानते हैं, उसका रूल हम ऑलरेडी बता चुके हैं। सबसे पहले subject, then had, आफ्टर दैट थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब। तो ये रूल है पास्ट परफेक्ट फॉर्म का। सबसे पहले सब्जेक्ट आएगा, उसके बाद हैड यूज होगा, हैड के बाद थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज वी डैश 2 miles आफ्टर वेकिंग अप, एंड द वर्ब इज रन। तो रन है, तो रन का थर्ड फॉर्म क्या होगा, रन ही होगा। सो हियर वी विल यूज हैड ऑल्सो, एंड द सेंटेंस विल बी we had run 2 miles after waking up. Next is if he dashed up later, he would have missed the flight, and the verb is wake. So for wake we will use woke, third form of the verb, and we will use had also because it is a past perfect form. So past perfect में had obviously use ही होगा और उसके साथ third form of the verb, and the sentence will be if he had woke up later, he would have missed the flight. Next is I dashed to the venue before the ceremony took place, and the verb is come. So for come ही होगा, okay? There is no change, and we will use had also. So the sentence will be I had come to the venue before the ceremony took place. Next sentence is when we reach the station, the train dash, and the verb is leave. So for leave we will use left, third form of the verb. With that we will use had also. So the sentence will be when we reached the station, the train had left. Next sentence is the bun dash baked to perfection when I had it last. So the verb is be. For be we will use been, with that we will use had also because it is a past perfect form, okay? So the sentence will be the bun had been baked to perfection when I had it last. Next is I never knew mother dash baking powder to make pancakes, and the verb is use. For use we will use used, and with that we will use had also because it is a past perfect form. So the sentence will be I never knew mother had used baking powder to make pancakes. Next is I dash before it started to rain, and the verb is leave. So for leave we will use left, third form of the verb. With that we will use had also. So the sentence will be I had left before it started to rain. Next sentence is Gautam dash for some water, and the verb is ask. For ask we will use asked, third form of the verb. With that we will use had also. So the sentence will be Gautam had asked for some water. Next sentence is they dash to ask for more funds, but I did not compile, and the verb is call. For call we will use third form of the verb. So the verb will be called. With that we will use had also. So the sentence will be they had called to ask for more funds, but I did not compile. Next is I dashed down to have lunch when the phone rang, and the verb is sit. So for sit we will use third form of the verb, it means sat. With that we will use had also with past perfect tense. So the sentence will be I had sat down to have lunch when the phone rang. Let's take one more sentence. Before anybody could think, Adil dash the race, and the verb is win. So what is the third form of win? Own. With own we will use had also, because it is a past perfect tense. In the past perfect tense we will add had. So the sentence will be, the correct sentence will be before anybody could think, Adil had won the race. Let's take one more exercise. Read the poem and underline the verbs in their past form. Let's start the poem. A bird came down the walk, composed by Emily Dickinson. A bird came down the walk, he did not know I saw. He bit an angry worm in health and ate the fellow raw. And then he drank a dew from a convenient grass, and then hopped sidewise to the wall to let a beetle pass. He glanced with rapid eyes that hurried all abroad. They looked like frightened beads, I thought. He stirred his velvet head. Like one in danger, cautious, I offered him a crumb, and he unrolled his feathers and rode him softer home. So this is the poem. Underline the verb in their past form. So let's start. A bird came down the walk, here came. Underline the verb came. He did not know I saw, did not know. He bit an angry worm in his, here bit. Underline the verb bit. And ate the fellow raw, ate. Underline the verb ate. And then he drank a dew, here drank. Underline the verb drank. From a convenient grass, and then hopped sidewise to the wall, here hoped. Underline the verb hoped. To let a beetle pass. He glanced with rapid eyes, here glanced. Underline the verb glanced. That hurried all abroad, here hurried. Underline it. They looked like frightened beads, I thought. Here looked and thought. Underline looked and thought. They looked like frightened beads, I thought. He stirred his velvet head, here stirred. Like one in danger, cautious, I offered him a crumb, here offered. Underline the verb offered. And he unrolled his feathers, here unrolled. Underline the verb unrolled. And rode him softer home. Rode. Underline it. And rode him softer home. Underline the verb rode. Let's take one more exercise. Complete the story of the clever crow using the verbs in past tense. Clever crow. Past tense की verb के साथ आपको ये story complete करनी है, okay? Let's start the story. It was a hot day. Kit the crow was thirsty. He fly over houses and gardens in search of water. तो ये जो स्टोरी है इसे आपको सिंपल पास्ट टेंस की वर्ब में चेंज करना है. जो भी वर्ब ब्रैकेट्स में दी गई है सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में चेंज करना है. दैट्स इट. सो द वर्ब इज फ्लाई. सो फॉर फ्लाई, फ्लू. So here we will use flew. It was a hot day. Kit the crow was thirsty. He flew over houses and gardens in search of water. At last he see a pot of water. So here we will use saw for see. So at last he saw a pot of water. There was little water in the pot. Kit tried to drink from the pot but could not do so. Kit think, here think, okay, think is a verb. So the correct form is thought. Kit thought for a while. He picked, the verb is pick. For pick we will use picked, okay. He picked up small stones and put, okay. तीनों फॉर्म में put सेम ही रहेगा, पास्ट में भी put ही यूज होगा, तो यहाँ बिल्कुल भी चेंज नहीं होगा. He picked up small stones and put them into the pot one by one. Next is soon the level of water rise. For rise we will use rose. Soon the level of water rose. Kit was able to drink the water. So this is the complete story. Let's take one more exercise, that is an activity. Complete the word letter with the past tense of the verb in the box. Box में कुछ verbs दी गई हैं जिनके past tense में जिन्हें आपको change करके जो letter बनी हुई है इसे complete करना है. तो सबसे पहले है see. तो what is the past form of see? Saw. Second is go. Go का past में क्या होगा? Went. Next is tell. Told. नेक्स्ट वर्ब इज डू, तो पास्ट टेंस में डू क्या होगी? डिड. नेक्स्ट इज गेट, गॉट. थ्रो, पास्ट टेंस थ्रू. विन वी विल यूज ओन इन द पास्ट टेंस. लेट्स टेक वन मोर एक्सरसाइज. लुक एट द पिक्चर्स गिवन बिलो. कंप्लीट द स्टोरी दैट फॉलोज. यूज पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस एंड सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. यहाँ जो पिक्चर दी हुई है इस पिक्चर को आप ध्यान से देखिए और स्टोरी, इस पिक्चर्स को रिलेट करके आपको एक स्टोरी मेंशन करनी है, एक स्टोरी क्रिएट करनी है जो कि पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस और सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में होनी चाहिए. ओके, आई होप इट्स क्लियर. सो देयर आर टू बॉयज, आरव एंड समी. दे वर प्लेइंग नियर द रोड. So this is the starting line of the story. You can create, you can make your own story with Arav and Sami. They were playing on the road. They were playing near the road. You can create your own story with the help of this line. So now complete your story with the help of this picture also. So look at the picture carefully and complete it by yourself. Okay. Okay students, it's over for today. I hope you enjoyed the class. If you have any query regarding the topic, past tense, simple past, past perfect, past continuous, past perfect continuous, any topic, okay. If you have any confusion regarding the topic, you can ask me without any hesitation. Next time we will meet with a new video very soon. Till then, keep studying, stay at home and be safe. Goodbye.